Brother, right now it look like we didn't like catch no fish. You better we all go here right now.
But I see in life, you have to have patience. You can't move so rushy. So it's a 1-1 cocoa full basket. You see me? The world is a big place and you can't go like you want to take giant steps. So just take your time and do it. You see me? You can't do you know see me move? Me take my time. Me not fussy. Me not fussy, me take my time. A fishing we are doing, you know. So sometimes you come now catch none. Then next time you come we catch fish. I think say fisherman go catch fish just one time. So all week stay out there. So sometimes they are last out there. So just go and enjoy yourself. At least we have fun. We remember the days we were there, so I try to fish. You see me? You have to cherish them days there. Just remember that.
Alright, bro. So may I catch our fight now, man?
Hold it, just hold it, you know. Hold it. If you see line move, you don't want to take your time. You don't move so fast.
Yannick! You ready? So I'm thinking I'm gonna wash.
Wash already. Oh, you do so much of the clothes.
I'm in gym clothes.
Oh, come here.
So I'm thinking I'm wash.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Can I help you?
Hey.
You guys going out to the river?
Obviously.
What's your name?
Kwana.
Kwana?
And this is Yannick.
Oh, hi Yannick. I'm Peter.
So you're from... What's me I see around here?
Not from up here, no. It's my aunt. Me come look for. It's my aunt. Me come look for.
Okay.
So that's why I'm up here. I'm so gone back now, so, but I love to get to know you though. Because at first, I come out to the shop and I say, no, sir, you just tick like a cow shit.
What?
You never said cow shit before? It's not a bad thing.
Yannick, hear this. If somebody tick like a cow shit, you don't know how cow shit look.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's not. It's so disgusting, but it's not. It's just that she's very
At first, somebody...
Let me say my collar chick then.
No, but look. You're thick. You're thick. It's not a bad thing.
care of the boss for me.
Yeah,
Girl.
still.
I'm gonna start cutting and then come go.
Alright, me link you. Yeah. So this is my stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jano, wish we could have spent the rest of the day or rest of the evening with it.
You just meet me.
Yeah, but no, we just meet it, but I enjoyed the river.
Not gonna lie, I did too. But this is my stop still, and I have things we're going to do.
All right, so we can't finish this conversation over the phone then. Can I have a number?
When I give you my number, I'm gonna just meet
Come
people.
on. We're just gonna be friends.
Tell you what, if you really want it, you know my live. Come back for it.
Next time I come. All right.
I didn't that day.
No, no, this half yet in my parish. But my sister, would have boy them see that too much now.
I don't know him, I not first me I see him just offer for help me with the back down the river.
Yeah, yo, look you know. You see the young youth there. Them a use you know, you have to know what you're doing, my sister. You can't just see a person feel first and say nice. So you know say nice.
Just the way I talk to my big bro. I don't know. I don't like say I don't serious or nothing like that. To just a conversation we have. I'm not even give him my number a while ago.
Make sure you say you give me a number.
I give him, man. Bro, you know you're too overprotective sometimes. Tell him to come back feet though.
Okay.
That's why I like stay over Auntie Marge, you know, because I don't get all of them restrictions here, you know, man. But we got eat for dinner.
Well, I know, so I don't know this half going in my porridge, you know.
You're supposed to have some ackee in the fridge though.
Maybe. You know, so I cook it last night.
So if you cook me ackee and not give me none.
You know, so I cook it with some chunks, and because I know say you don't eat chunks, I don't offer you none. But don't worry, I'm going to buy a piece of chicken, man, for you to eat later.
Alright then, do you have to do?
Yo, go down now, plate and buy 2 juices.
Respect. You know someone say something to you though?
What that?
I don't know if you could have give me one shirt or lend me one. I'm glad for that.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah, someone, just go down, now, plate and when I don't call him down here, I'm gonna give you a shirt.
Alright, then now forward.
Alright. Now forward.
Okay. Thanks for here, bro. Love you, you know. Yeah, man, respect me. Me what you and care about.
Alright, just do it, man. Just make sure say you have condom, you know.
Yeah, man.
I know them little young girls nowadays. Just protect yourself.
Sure, real talk.
I do it, and be safe on the road, here.
Yeah.
Alright. General, Shakwana did it?
Who?
Shakwana, your sister.
I want Shakwana.
You know, say that's something I just come to talk to her about.
Yeah, man, she there, but I want to talk to you. Yeah, man. You know, so one day I see you carry upon for my sister and drop off here, so watch you. I give you 100, see? I love my sister, and so make sure, say, you show her respect and don't hurt her. You get what me I say?
No, man, I not do nothing hurt her, man. I see her sister, and I like her, listen me. There's just something about her I just really love. I don't forget her. But her sister, so I understand how protective you can be over her, and better be protective over her, because she's a very nice girl. I've seen some overprotective over my little brother, see me, but she not good hands, man. So what is my name?
Jimmy, you know.
Jimmy,
Yeah,
Peter.
man. Alright, everything good. Shakwana!
Oi!
Alright, Peter, that's what I mean.
Alright, bless up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Stop. You know, so I can't. You couldn't tell me say somebody out here to me. You just call me out here. You know how my head stay.
Nothing is wrong with that. Come on.
I know nothing is wrong with that, but come on.
Anyways, I don't know. I'm coming for you.
Then you're really persistent, man. Come never expect to see back around the side, eh?
So you think I'm crazy enough to spend a whole day at the river actually basically help you wash, and that was for a joke? But really like you and interested. And what we can talk to you, I think maybe talk to you over the phone. Like before I go to bed, when I wake in the morning, I want to know how the day is going. If you have a bad day, a good day, anything at all. I want to know.
Honestly, I catch a vibe when I'm around you. I like your energy. But this don't mean you get in. I meet my brother. I'm seeing school with it. So, give me a game. Let's see where this can go.
Alright. I'm in no rush now, but
Alright, so, this year.
alright. Yo, Jimmy. Take care, yeah? Alright.
You see, you. What make you do me that?
What
You know how my HP and you call me and I make me know somebody running to me.
And Rassi for Rassi here.
I not rest no ear.
Rassi for Rassi.
From me could not try to get my first. I not rest no ear.
Bro, how go on?
You want some?
What you mean, man? Would I eat some mess?
What can I also pay one, sir? Scare him. What is it? Where you come from?
Oh, why you had me there? Did I sleep? I'm going to have to check it.
Oh. Mommy alright?
Yeah, man, she good, man.
Where up there going?
I watch TV.
Watch TV?
Yeah. Respect.
What kind of shit you want for?
Pineapple?
What else?
Oh. Alright.
You still have that shot that I'm give, man?
Yeah, man, me care, man.
You can't grow in it, you know.
Yeah, deal with that now, bro.
There, I go on normal, man.
I'm there, too, man.
I want it. Say no miss me?
So when I must miss a beer is a kind of question that, come on.
How was the drive though?
Driver's okay.
Oh. Alright, let's see you too, baby. Come on now. I want it tonight. Yo, big up yourself, man. Up, man. Up. Oh, if you do it like you couldn't leave this stay lock.
No man, me know say from in a lock with the key, me know say you're not gone far. There man.
See, you couldn't leave me juice alone.
Release that man, me can't buy back. Yo, take it back cologne eh.
So brother, if you spray the cologne, you're not going to where you go?
I go up on the road, go deal with something and come back man. I see what can go on.
So which one with me there?
She asleep. She up a yard.
I know you do. Jaja.
So you mean to tell me say you know send me a come. Get up man. And you couldn't tidy the place for me?
Just got no man. Tired man from a week. Me just tired babes. Tired. Man, tired.
Alright. Close the close then.
You alright?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Babes, I miss you, man. I miss those lips.
You know how long you're supposed to send for me? Eh? I met me in a bus all long. The taxi man, the conductor, all I get mad for me and them somebody. You know love me.
I'm fair when we talk.
You know love me.
Hey, darling.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
It hurt me. Thanks for taking out the clothes on my father.
Damn tired, man. There, so I'm gonna relax.
So you have planned for the Valentine's Day?
Well, we can just stay home and cook. No, I'll cook.
I want to stay home and go somewhere nice. So I'm buying a little shirt. Yeah. Grab a match for me, Avan.
Like a match. But you match me already.
What's every morning?
You see?
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food.
Alright. Here.
Oh go on. Good. Alright, man, I go to
Peter. Peter, we make you drink the ensure and put the empty bottle back in the fridge. Tell me, son, you. I buy one bottle of ensure for drink with my dinner. You have to take it and drink it. Panta pint, you left the empty bottle in the fridge.
Come on, not like somebody drink ensure tape.
Everybody drink ensure, so I don't know what you're talking about. I left the... And are you drink the ensure?
Connor, I don't drink ensure.
You know what say?
You know this
brother drink the ensure? Nobody cannot tell me say I know your brother drink the ensure.
So we can go accuse him now.
Who else will drink the ensure? Me and you alone there. And him come here when him feel like. Who else will drink it and left the bottle in the flipping fridge? Mad? Am I crazy? When I drink ensure, boy, you my woman? A girl alone me know drink ensure.
Me not think you don't really take it.
You think it funny?
So babes, why could I really possibly
They
take
go on
up
about
the
me ensure now, because I don't understand that kind of behavior there. And then you go tell me say,
Alright, babes. I'll buy it back.
it's not about the bite, but no.
Come on. Just stop. Stop cuss over ensure. Me buy it back.
You keep on saying you will bite back, and that's not the point. That's not the point, Peter. That's not the point. The point me I try to make is him just come in here and him do him like what, when him like, how him like. Him not have no regard for nobody we living here. Him not offer ensure him I drink it. Him know what it is for. And you say you talk to him and still him keep on under them petty things here.
Connor, can I talk now? Can I talk?
You know what?
Listen. I don't know what nothing. Him don't drink it already, and me I go buy it back. Just stop me, so please, me I beg you. You're too beautiful for some miserable man. And I just a little food, cause when I eat it or drink it, yes, it'll come back right out in the toilet. So you're not good to cuss over them, man. Just,
Okay.
I love you.
Brother,
Humpty.
how kind of style that man born put vinegar in a drinks?
Puppy, then where you get that from?
Nine in the fridge.
The boy put it in there?
No. But me and your brother anything I fear for me.
Yeah, but that's not mine. Me not drink them juice, eh? So if you just go in the fridge and sit and just take up yourself.
You know, so me have a great mind for a woman do it. He corrupt bad, you know. He come here and say me and you live good. And he come like he want me to live bad. Me not like that.
Principle of principle. You can't sit something in a people fridge and just go take up it and you know, ask a fool. If I did ask me and I did mine, would I just tell her, say, alright, you can't take it. But I don't mind, me not even know for drinks. Suppose I did poison in there, or could I just drink you dead?
You see it? You know, say come like your woman now want me if you deal though. Who fi put poison in the fridge? Tell her say he corrupt, you know. And he come like say you follow him too, you know. People will say nothing to me too.
Your business what you want, say principle of principle. So if you feel like set me up on our side, then well fine. Principle of principle. You can't say people things and just trouble it. So anyways, me I can go.
Right now, go man, your woman corrupt.
See how they say, you know. And if me did a go along no way, you know, no say me bad mind. I true me love you, you know, me no kick you down, you know. Go on where you go, man. What? Babes. How are you going at this maternity? Yeah. Eh? It's sexy, but not in this maternity. This come like as when they wear when they have baby in the hospital.
Peter.
How that? Where you go so late, brother?
I'm going late though, and mommy say, you know me I come from for just go on back. So me just say me I come down and come and sleep. I can't come in.
Mommy still up. Babe, he ain't just a spending it, man. Cause mommy lock him out, so he just go and hold the couch until morning. Boy, next time you have to go in early, brother. You have when me. See that? You see that?
Alright.
Yeah, man, how are you?
Alright, good. You want to just to talk to you about the show me have. You want to have a woman talk to you because you know you will understand. But just review that, Peter. Everything alright out there, I try to do and
You're not supposed to come down there and eat out your things and drink out your drinks and you leave a dirty plate and so you're not supposed to do that. But on the other hand, the way how me grow them is like they share things together. You understand? From them small I come up, they wear them one another clothes, they wear them one another shoes, and sometimes we told them eat out of one plate. And I say we don't have enough food, but how them grow. So
I understand
yeah.
that, you know, I not dispute that. I just say like in no say in Peter have a woman now. You know, just talk to him to make him know say him admire Peter so much. So me no want Peter to be the one to go to him and say, you know, have little boundaries and respect for the relationship for me in and out. Me rather come to you as a woman so you can understand how me feel, so you can now relate this to your son. Because even the other day, I buy one shirt for Peter and I don't know if you see me now a new shirt, but I put it on my seen that shirt and him don't even wash and return the shirt. So them thing there, it kind of irritating, man, and I really would appreciate it, Shirley, if you could have just talk to him and make him understand, say, him have to make some changes.
Yes, I agree, but them brother. And the party is so well with this shirt, as me tell you, say, because Puppy done have a shirt, newborn shirt too, and Peter wear it, and it never create a problem. And the thing is this, right? As me tell you, say, they're close and whatever. And me not want it becomes a conflict, but me don't want because of a woman, the two of them live mad. Because they never used to live so until when you come in at the picture. So you have to go find somewhere. You and Peter have to go talk, call Puppy Dan and work out something. Because since that is an issue, well, you and Puppy Dan and Peter have to go work out the party or something.
Alright, sure. Come on. Thanks.
Yeah, man, and I hope you work out. You want it to work out.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you too.
What look like that?
Where are you coming from?
Babe, come on, really? I'm coming from the ball field.
So I couldn't answer your phone for much hours.
Babe, really? How make you play ball and have the phone on the field with me? You don't have to leave the phone one side. I'm never see the call them. Right now I'm with uncle right now. My boy stepping on me out.
Peter, what shirt to me buy for you put on Valentine's Day?
That shirt is in the basket. You know the basket? Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You
It's not
sure?
really all now.
Your brother me see the shirt.
You sure it's he?
I mean buy him, I must know it look. Peter, I'm sick and tired of the behavior, and every time I talk to him, I feel like I'm me wrong, like me not for say nothing, me not for comfortable, me not have no space right there. So it's not make no sense. I bet I'm gonna go back on my yard.
Babe, that's what him always just take up.
That's why you always I go say you always go pick up for him, but them something not make no sense. Think about it. If me have a sibling and my sibling come around you and every time you cook a straight in the pot she gone, you not eat, me not eat nothing. Nobody not eat nothing. We can't have no romantic time because we don't know when she go pop up.
Yeah.
And when she pop up, she gone straight in the bed. All if me in
Stop do that, man. I'm a little brother, man. I love him. So you don't need to be so.
I feel like a brother not mine. It's uncomfortable. And you not understand, come like you not grasp that.
So what you want to do?
I don't know, I cannot tell you what to do. Because at the end of the day, you're not a family. But me, as your woman, I have to tell you, so I'm uncomfortable. And it's up to you what you want to do. I'm going to talk to your mother about it. And it's like, she make it look like, say, I'm me. I come between you and him. I'm not like that. So if so be the case, I'm just going to go on my yard. Honestly.
Babe, look. I'm going to fix this. Here? I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you. But please, nobody make that stress you. I understand how you feel and come on. Who would I want to buy them and say some of them are real?
Exactly.
Yeah,
But him should have mind, man. Him should know them things, them something that simple things. You have to know, say, you know fit intrude so much. Anybody with common sense know all of them things there. And when I talk to him, it is like a beer attitude. You know why? You need to fix it, you know, because if me fix it, I'm not even say nothing else. But
One thing I don't like miserable. What's for dinner? Eh?
I don't know where you want to eat.
Some curry pumpkin chicken.
I can't cook curry pumpkin chicken.
Well, me have to teach you then. You just put the pumpkin in the chicken.
I can't cook curry pumpkin chicken.
Well, me have to teach you then. You just put the pumpkin in the chicken. I go be and come back here. 2 minutes room. Love you, honey.
Nah, like, that for ambience, yeah, really need it.
Yeah, down here is very nice. She come very more often.
Try my best as possible to come as often.
So yeah, again, I can come down.
Yeah, me and Peter will come already. You know, as I say, it's a very nice guy.
And see you fall in love.
And
Yes, that you
yeah,
like.
no, I don't. I'm not get judgy for anybody. Right, I see a future with him.
Well, that's good.
You know, I'm not get judgy for anybody. All is well, except for the fact say him have. You know, I don't know how him grow up, but him have one little brother, them man. It's a brother from hell.
Eh? But you can't make him get in a your relationship. What way we could have do so?
Him a look there, so that's none of that. Him just, I don't know how them grow up, but it's like him not understand himself. Him not know boundary.
So you're gonna make because of the brother, yeah, your man mash up.
Yes. Yes, if you grow a certain way, I understand. But you have a woman now, right? Priorities, right? You can't just come in the house and just tie up house and just spread out from the bedside your bed.
So you're not going to talk to Peter about it?
Him see?
Me know, but just talk to him just for sure. For make him know say you're uncomfortable. If nothing at all not change, then would do something to him and get
Talk
rid of
to
him.
Peter. Whether you buy one shirt to anniversary and say me and him go out. You don't know, say not even 3-4 days after that he must see that and him is not Peter size.
So you don't like it for him?
I say I clean him up, you see, man.
This
I say I clean up Peter him too. Because I understand, because he must see him in the shirt. You understand? Some buy you something. And your brother just come and take it out and wear it like a female. Like a female. Him no shirt buy. Hey, listen. Right now I feel like I look mother not like me. I feel like she don't like me because it's like from me and Peter then him have to just shake up him folly grounds and certain things have to be different because him have a woman in the house. It's not a single man, it's not a man cave. And that may I explain to him. So it's like him brother have to stop coming around as often. But him still a go on, him still annoy me and do certain things, man. Him still not understand. So you know what I can do? Me I go set a trap for him.
me will help you. But
Yeah,
him just have
man.
to say, them have to understand himself. We are running about for him. You can go make a walk down the road.
Yeah.
Take the seats.
Brother. Peter. Peter. How ain't gone?
You don't have a phone can call Peter if you want Peter. Why you always have to come around here unannounced? Just pop up so like you live in here. And you know so we have a problem with it.
So no, my brother, I can come up here anytime I want. I not have to
You
call.
cannot come here every time because I don't feel comfortable with it. And I care I talk to everybody and nobody cannot get through to you. Why your problem?
You know, say from what day I go and I can style me do. I mean I get
Oh,
finna
me
like
try
you.
style you.
Cause you try to break me and my brother friendship and never saw me and my brother did stay, me and my brother live good. And you see from you come here, everything change. I mean I like you, me I tell you the truth, me I like you.
You
God knows me
need
not
to get
like
a place and get a woman or something. You're
The one
enough
that
for
you can
life
style.
too much. I know nobody a try style you, puppy dan, but you need to understand, man. Go and understand yourself, man.
Up to what day I'll put in a gym to kill me off.
You need to stay amongst the people, them stay with their parents or
Say
get
nothing to me,
somewhere,
man. Me a top
man.
come on the place, man. Me a top coming.
Go look at work, man, or do something for yourself, man. So you know put couch in my drawers. You know remember you put couch in my drawers? Say no you know. I never you.
Come back on the place.
Stay down with your mother or your parents or get somewhere stay, man. You're a big boy now, man. We need it for come here. We need it for come here right now. Mm-hmm.
Babes. Babes, what is it? There?
May I go home?
When you go home, what?
You have me here. I am a here, look, brother, come take liberty with me. My day, me yard, me alright, you know, Peter. But nobody take a step on me, you know. Me go me yard because I can't take them disrespect you at all.
What him do?
When they come in here, me rub couch for my drawers. And I don't even say nothing to you, but you come in here and you start attack me about how me put pies now or whatever in a drinks for give your brother. But you know, see all the antics them when I keep up in here. And you see, because I realize that me cannot write in the house here, I just go gone me yard. Peter, I just go gone me yard, and there's nothing you can say to me because at the end of the day, you and my brother. I'm not going to ask you to choose between you and your brother.
Babes, listen to me. Me have a talk.
Me call one taxi to come for me today because I go pack
You're not call.
So my brother yeah call me because I tell him say it, I text him and tell him say it. To clear up my room.
Just don't, babes, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Me have a talk to you. Me have a talk to you. Me talk.
Me and go home.
No.
Okay.
Babe. I don't want. Never talk. Here? Stop. Listen. No.
My brother go come down here because he knows there's something wrong. Me and go home. I'm tired of it now. You talk to him already and nothing never
Well, me have to put a stop into this now.
Oh! Talking not working.
Alright. Can you just give me 5 minutes? Go up there and come back? Please. Please.
Alright.
Copy that. Yeah, my brother. And I'm a girlfriend now. You come like say intense. If you mash up, and mash up, then my woman relationship, brother. All the girl that talk to you, brother. Me and I make like everything, you know. Right now, you are my brother, she are my girlfriend, I'm there right in the middle, brother. In the middle, every day, argument, brother. You argue to me, she argue to me, brother. But yo, just don't come back down on me, brother. Don't come back down me. But if you don't want, watching them, don't say
Listen,
brother.
Me not have to come back down your yard, you know.
That
Me
if
have
you
a
do,
yard,
brother.
you know.
That if you do.
That me see it, you know. You put the woman over me, you know. Me see it, you know. And now this prove, you know.
Bro.
You have to come in your yard, man.
Bro.
Just go on down there. Not talk to me. Go on there.
That if you do. Just not come back on me yard, brother.
Go on there, I'm good, man.
Don't come back on me yard, brother. Because come like say me can't talk. You can't talk to you either. The girl, you can't just see people things and just...
Me not have to come back down your yard, you know. Me have a yard. And this proving now, say, you put a girlfriend over me.
Yeah, my little brother, I love you, man, but you have to understand, brother, you can't just come and people place up. Me a man now, you know, brother. I me move out from here, because me don't want to live here, so brother. Me move out from here, so brother. And me don't want me tired of here, so brother. I'm want to be by myself, brother. Yeah. And me allow you to come down there when you feel like me never there stop you, me never did that do nothing, brother. And you just come down there and want to create problem in a relationship, brother. In a house.
Me see you put a girlfriend over me, that me see. And this prove it, because no, me can't believe you put a girlfriend over me. Can't believe you treat me like me and your friend and me and your family.
But just if me did that disrespect you know as a little brother you that hate me, dog. Yo, just this is last time, brother. I don't want to see you back again, brother. Straight up, me I tell her that brawling. I don't want to see you back, brother.
You think I'm a problem? I she a problem.
Alright. Well, go on, Rasta. The chops, yeah, man. So I go on differently.
Yeah, easy man, I don't know if a man always easy, you see it?
They are all the time, you know. So I go on that place. Me say whole part things are going on here, you know.
Whole part thing I go on, yes. But me not in it, brother. Stay out of trouble, yeah, man, you see me?
Well, I ain't pass to a place, you know, so I'm soon going back for my turf, you see?
Good night.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
See I did the nephew.
There, me one of my friend in the day out the road, I go and chill.
That's the road. It is a Vibes Cartel song. Street no love nobody, man. Stay off of the street, man. You find something for do. You see, you better there yard and farm up some things. You know what I mean? You look at your brother. You know if you're going to farming and a farm fool, you hear me? Because you see technology go fail on you know. So you pan corner and hang out with friend, you better there get some natural something go and grow, you know what I mean? And start learn about the bushes and the trees and the bees. Judgment time will come.
Boy, uncle that talk about brother, you know, so me and him leave a deal though. Because it's like, me and him live good, you know. But he get to a new girl. And see from that happen, it's like me and him not live good. He treat me some way. The girl all nearly poison me, put something in a drinks, vinegar, nearly poison me off. Me and him not live good. He tell me if you not come back down in the yard.
But here one now, you come out of one belly, so you go on better. You know what I mean? So what the problem though? Are you the one at the problem? What the problem? Girl at the problem? Or your brother at the problem? Why problem? Because it have to be a problem for the whole disagreement.
Boy, you know, say a girl have a problem though. She corrupt my brother mind. Some things where he never used to do, I do it now.
So where you live now then? If you don't have a yard there, honestly there. Where you live at?
Me there, up there me live as always, but me always visit him down in the yard.
But you want now. I go talk to him about the brother. You know if you have a band, you know if you have a reason. If you realize, if you get one girl, then try to get one girl here too. You have a few woman there.
Goodly, they home.
So you cannot stay for your woman then, now check him then. But apart from that still, you know, link said way, but if you realize saying one space and the girl don't like you stay away from them. Let them go on do them thing. You understand what I mean? But more talk to him, because my bigger one, him try really look out for you in one sense. But we have to be realistic in this time. You know what I mean? You see flesh is very deceiving. You understand? And the flesh will change your mind. So for your flesh, you stay to for your girl then and keep yourself off of the corner on the street. You understand? Report for your brother there now. When there?
Oh, I don't even know. Probably in down yard.
So you see a woman in the yard now?
Yeah.
Just see same thing you have for your woman, turn off your yard, enough with for your woman. Make your woman come up to your mother yard or go for your yard. But stay off of the street. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, your brother still, man. Just enter and a girl and dash him away and done with him, you can't start go down there again. You understand? Because anything was bad not last too long. So if she come with a bad energy, you only can't hold it for a while. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a man of experience, you know. So I've been with many different women. And the one them who give problem straight through. You only can't date them for a while. After a while, let's say, brother, if the come not say a good youth, you know. So if that girl would have something for her mind, she would have want something where she don't want you did it, or she want to some different thing. So don't worry about that. Just reason the brother and him on the road then. If you go there, you know, tarry. You just heal him and cut. Tell him if you can link you on different place and then reason have a drink then. You know what I mean? But you know, if you live as one. No. Just be off for the road, man. Do what I say. You know what I mean? Hang out with your girlfriend. You understand? It better your mother hears your girl a breed for you than you mix up in some different things, right?
True.
So turn a yard and deal with that and allow the street alone. Let's say something to do on the street, you go and walk, you go back to your yard, do some farming. Better program the bush than the street. Anyway, do your thing, you know. I'm virgin there go on with a reason, but no longer than tonight before I go back and I cut out a plate, you know. Me go check your brother and talk to him. Alright?
Alright, later.
Alright, that's a word, man.
Big up.
Yeah. Sweetheart, your uncle. Uncle, I beat me door to uncle. Must have me teach you, know, strong in a daddy in the earth, you know, man. You move like you're weak, so. What go on?
There, man, I go on now, man. Where are you?
What kind of vibration me say I go on down here? Just your brother a while ago and say you diss him because a woman. I'm teach about flesh, you know, and I say anything, you know.
Uncle, put me down on style, uncle.
So this a bore up. Cynthia, you diss your brother over?
Excuse me?
Bore up.
What?
Let's be a bore upon you.
First of all, my name is Shakwana. I am Peter's wife. Who are you? To be referencing me in that matter. Out of Adam Brett. No.
Listen, relax.
You know what? You need to tell your nephew or whatever he is to you, he needs to calm down and he needs to understand respect and boundaries. Because the whole family and don't understand this.
Alright, what's your number? Relax. I'm uncle. Relax.
But you not hear him refer to me a while ago, Peter?
Uncle, she's my queen. And them a bore up and nothing, you know, look disgusting. Me alright. Me love it.
What may I say to you now? Me just say something, you know. Me say bore up. Because she bore up with more than one person her age, but thing bore. So me no decide. She come out hot and fiery. Them a controlling other me to test her personality. If she come out calm, but I know say I'm never the problem. She's the problem. Because you see how she come out and true you maybe have a gear with sweet her and she gets with sweet you. But what sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. Someone show you something say watch her now. Enjoy yourself, but me myself, you know, invest everything in another one, yeah. You understand? Look good. Because rubbish look good for her for, you know. Look good.
Hello, no, I don't take this disrespecting now. Because someone that look poor and hungry right now, if you come disrespect me, a good house me come from, here, sir. That alone me want you to understand. No, I'm done, I'm serious. Come and know who is this hungry man. This is not good where I come from here, I'm not a streggy. I'm not know the whole family not come down palm about because I don't take disrespect lightly. I'm gonna understand, I'm done. No, I'm done.
Uncle, just relax, man. That come down.
But you mess, you see, you're a bigger brother, you must look out for your little brother. Get one of them said girl like give me can turn up female then.
Get him a work.
Get one of them bore up something, yeah.
Get him a job. Get him a job. You're so concerned about him. Get him a job.
You much I know.
You can't give him a job.
He not work.
Get him a job.
Just tell that he just stop that. Yo, uncle, me chat here, man. Look at me.
You know.
About the excitement.
I go check your mother and make you have a family dinner. And you see two brother them. Uno only one for no mother, you know. So uno can't cut like that way there, you know. Uno feel reason and try find a way.
Mr. Peter can't sex him, brother. And
Listen,
me have to do that.
you
So
can't-
if I not the whole hand
It's not about sex, mama, because sex we have soon done. If I say you're running. Since you have so much sex to give brother some of my sex too. Since you have some for flushing, we could give you too hot. Give your brother some of it then. The brother them all right.
some water me I come through upon this dirty man.
Yeah,
Coming
yo,
out-
yo, uncle.
Tell a girl
Go
that-
on, uncle.
Me say-
Roll river.
No, me I say.
Uncle, I'm rolling
Listen, man, listen, man.
Stop foolishness.
Where my mother come from? Riverton.
Peter, open the door.
Check one up.
So now come and knock out her down here.
Two outer
So,
man.
like a jail man go back. Tell her where me I come from.
Uncle, look at me, man.
Me say, yo, see that girl there? Tell me where me I come from.
All right, uncle, look at me.
Tell me where me I come
Yo,
from.
Look at me, uncle.
Wash your drink.
Check one up, top it down.
Yo, nephew, I go tell you, you know. That whole say not to be fear, you know. So you know how it go, you know. That- You always can't want to go back a river, you know.
Check one up.
I see why your brother. Listen now. Listen, Peter. I go send your mama come down here, you know. You know, say me never take it so serious. I go send your mother come down here. I go,
Sir, mama tell you this.
no, mama make your mother-in-law contact you. Come here, wrong one.
Peter, let me go to your club so me I go out there go do anything.
Uncle,
Me no need for you nothing, you know.
Jump
Swear
on
me
me.
no need for you nothing.
Listen me now. I'm just coming from prison. First from prison, girl.
You want my job for some people come through up on your hotel.
Babe,
You
stop that,
can't
no.
have strength for me. The whole I wanna go on like son have strength for me. But one phone call me and make round river here.
Yo, daddy, I'm going to tell you something.
Yo, look at me.
No, you,
Uncle,
me
please.
You see the reason why your brother and I don't get along? You see the reason why you and your brother don't get along? Because your girlfriend is a problem. And me go tell you something from now. You see that female there? She's gonna be better for you, you know. Yeah, she will call people a roll river. Any day put your hand on her, she call her man them a roll river. I go tell you, them girl not care one man, you know. Every boy represent for your man.
Check one. Babe, stop now. Uncle, a good girl, man. I'll just touch his tail. Just leave her alone, man. Look at me. Shakwana.
Love me, mama talk. You hear the man that disrespect me and talk like him, say like him, feel like him is a nobody. Who is him? Fear come
Yes,
tell me
alright,
a girl
see that.
and bore up.
All right, Sita.
Eh?
Take it.
And I come tell me about how much man. What him know about me? Eh? What him know about me?
Yeah, just
and
stop,
me
man.
and family them have strength for. But me know me I got the other me I got just got me hard.
Peter,
Hold on.
what me doing, man?
Oh,
I look a drive by going out the road, you know. Your brother get shot.
what you say?
You say, I look a drive by going out the road, your brother get shot.
Which part?
The road that they were shooting down in hospital.
Yo, come on.
Hey, doctor say, babes. The doctor say.
Get 7 shots. 7.
7. Fresh wound, please. Some say a fresh wound then.
I know fresh room. Fire, but then it's still in there, man. They don't know if you want to make it.
I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna make it in the pan like machine or something. Stop fret out yourself now, man. Because at the end of the day, him not dead. Him still there with we. And him a hold on, him a fight. The doctor them say him a fight, Peter. Him a gonna make it him strong. Just believe in him. Stop stress and worry.
Hello?
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Gordon?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Your name and number was provided on file as a primary caregiver for Mr. Howell. I'm sorry to call and inform you that he has passed away.
What?
Yes, he has passed away, so you along with your family need to make all the necessary preparation to come and look at the body. Hello, are you still there?
Come. Papa. 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 Babe, sit down. Look here.
This is your fault. This is your fault. This is your fault.
What? Babe, you're hurt. Calm down.
Whenever you,
Calm down. Don't say anything when you're not gonna meet.
whenever you bring out a damn foot.
Peter.
Leave. Leave.
Peter, don't do this.
Leave. Leave. Please. Leave.
No, babes, you're hurt. Don't do this, please. Please, look for me. I'm still there. You're hurt.
Leave. Leave.
Please.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
You don't mean this, please.
Leave. Leave. Don't even worry. Come back for your clothes and me. Send them by taxi. I'll send them.
Mm.